everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with another layout today. I have this darling picture of my three oldest grandchildren in there. They had a love sack at home that they love to lay in and watch TV or read a book, whatever, and it can fit three of them. So it's so cute. I love it. The M1 and 3 she's all snuggled up with him, and M number 2 is there too. So just such a cute photo. So I'm going to mount this on some craft cardstock from Recollections, which is Michael's brand. And then on top of that, I cut down a piece of plaid paper just to an 11.5-inch square. And that's Echo Park Imagine That. It's the 3x4 journaling cards paper. Grabbed a whole bunch of wood veneer pieces because I knew I had some wood veneer houses and wanted to pull those out. This aqua paper here that I'm mounting this on now is from Bella Boulevard Freehand Graph and Dot, and it's the Gulf color. So I just like how that kind of looks on top of the other piece, and it has there's a little bit of a texture to, well, it's not really a texture, but it's printed on texture of the plaid paper, and that's being carried out kind of in that Gulf Dot paper. I am going through my Echo Park All Boy frames and tags die cuts right now, just kind of see if I can grab some things that might work with this paper here. The colors are very similar between the two collections. Imagine That is an earlier boy collection for Echo Park. All right. So I'm also going through my chipboard here. That's Echo Park All Boy, the chipboard phrases. So I have that Making Memories one and the Life is Better with You. I've moved the dream piece now up to the top right there. Just kind of playing with where things are going to go here. I do want to grab a journaling card to take up some space here. The one of the lines in the back of this is orange, so that's why I use that. And I don't know where that journaling card came from. It's very old. I printed a bunch of them off of a website years ago, and that's where this came from. I think it's the last one I have of this, or actually second to last one, because I think I had two of them and I used the last one on the next layout you're going to see on Tuesday. At least I think you'll see that one on Tuesday. You'll remember it when when you see it. All right, so I am grabbing out those wood houses. I have 2 packs of wood houses from Colorcast. Decided that maybe I just want to do a border of wood houses along the bottom of this journaling card, and they worked really well together. That worked really well doing that. So I've just abandoned the idea of that chipboard that was there. And then this is from Echo Park. It says Home, and I managed to break it at one point, but I'm just going to glue it back together. So I'll add that. Get that down. And then as I'm doing this, I break part of the as I'm gluing it, I break part of the H off. So that poor thing, but it's the titles together now. All right, that's my art glitter glue. I don't know why they call it glitter glue, but they do. But it is a great glue. I was starting to have problems with my some of the glue in my my Scotch Quick Dry. So I flipped over to this, but you can't get it shipped during the winter. So if you're running low, you need to get it before the winter. Okay, so I'm just going to overlap that first house a little bit on the photograph, so I don't. Then I'll have it kind of, the house is equally sticking out on the both sides of the 3x4 card there. Okay. I've got some other phrases here. I want some wood up there by the dream. And since I have a bunch of Ellie Studio stuff out, I did toy with like maybe putting the dream there and doing like a banner, heart banner from that assortment of things that are left there. And then decided I didn't like that. So I'm going to now, I think I've got enough done. I feel pretty good about where things are lying. So I trimmed that aqua paper, that Bella Boulevard Graph Dot paper. down, and then I added the dream in there. I do have a, first I'm going to clean up a little bit. I have a hard time leaving too much out. I'm not a messy scrapbooker. After a while, I can't see. I do like those open hearts, but I didn't particularly like it with this particular layout. Everything is much more solid. So those are Ellie Studio as well too. I did play with that camera a little bit, which was a gift from Colorcast Designs, but it didn't work. Okay, so I have to do my little, and I'm sorry you guys, I keep getting these really low. I have to remember that when I'm scrapbooking. Just the way the camera angle is, I have to push it up higher on my mat. And I bring it down so I can see it. Fortunately, nothing is there that I need to, that I need to worry about. So there's, I'm going to take that little chipboard piece, which is from that all boy chipboard phrases, and add it to the bottom of the hearts, and it says friends, so they are friends. I just want you want the siblings to be friends. So I thought that was kind of a nice little addition. And then I'm going to add these enamel dots from the Altenew Warm and Cozy collection. Add that in for a punch of color to bring in that orange even more, and it definitely does. That is a bright orange. I probably could have gone pale, but I like the bright. Kind of playing around with where these need to go. Some on the embellishments, some crossing over. All right. Here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.